prove that Rn is perpendicular to PS. So I'm going to highlight Rn. So we have R to N. And we want to prove it's perpendicular to PS. So in an examination, I recommend that you use a highlighter, and that will help you solve the question. So in our first question, we found that the gradient of the line PS is equal to -2/3. And if the line of Rn is perpendicular to PS, then their gradients would multiply out to become -1. So what we need to do is we need to find the gradient of the line Rn. And we take that value and multiply it with the gradient of PS. And if that result is -1, we can conclude that Rn is perpendicular to PS. So we have the gradient of PS is -2/3. Now we're going to calculate the gradient of the line Rn. And that is difference of y's, which is 4 minus -2, over the difference of x's, which is 10 minus 6. So notice that the y value of n is -2, but the gradient formula says to subtract. So we subtract -2 from 4. And when I simplify, I have 6/4, and that simplifies further to 3/2. Now I take the gradient of the line PS and I multiply it with the gradient of the line Rn. And that is equals to -2/3 times 3/2, and that results in -1. So therefore, the line Rn is perpendicular to the line PS. Notice I don't assume that that's -1. I actually show the calculation.